This is the Bürstner Elegance i910 motorhome. For something like this, you're looking at around 220,000 euros. It's top of the Burstner range, and in this case what we've got this huge seating group here at the front with this very large table. There's 4 belted positions. There's a seat which is under here, and there's a travel seat under the couch on the other side as well. Here we find that we've got 2 gas burners plus 1 induction, kitchen block with storage under it, sink, storage, and on the other side, of course, we've got a fridge and a freezer. Coming to the here, we're now in the dressing room. Dressing room comes with a toilet. On the other side there is a large shower unit, and here we have space for our clothing. We can of course close the dressing area off using this door and the toilet door, so it makes a completely private space. We've got this queen bed here, got large windows at either side, storage at the back, 2 wardrobes, storage above the bed, and storage down here as well. There is a window, and as I mentioned, that you can close this off. That closes off there like that. Note that it has got this deep double floor. All the technical stuff for the vehicle can be found in the double floor. As I come out, we can see out here that we've got additional storage there, for example, and also here we have got a very large garage. The garage will take 350 kilos of weight. This one here comes with an Indus system. The Indus system has been developed by Thetford for recycling water. It is of course an option, but you can see more about that in a different video, link to this. And let's just close this now. Vehicle, as you can see, is on a tag axle, and if you want to know more about this vehicle, then you can find out by the links below. Top of the range from Burstner. Thanks very much for watching. I did that in under 3 minutes.